Confused about which COVID vaccines are the best? Here are the details about all 8 vaccines likely to given in India in 2021. India is currently facing the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. While the second wave has crushed the healthcare system, the scarcity of vaccines has robbed people of the hope of keeping the virus at bay. But according to the government, all this could change by the end of the year. Biological E is expected to produce 30 crore doses, Zetas Cadila 5 crore, Serum Institute of India 20 crore doses of Novax and Bharat Biotech 10 crore doses of nasal vaccine. While Genova will make available 6 crore doses and Sputnik 5 15.6 crore doses, the official said. While Covishield and Covaxins are already in circulation in India, Sputnik is expected to be available to the public by next week. The vaccine candidate of biological E, Zetas Cadila, Genova and Bharat Biotech's nasal vaccines are in various stages of clinical trials. Novavax, being produced in Serum Institute, is currently undergoing phase 2-3 trials in India. Now it's all you need to know about 8 COVID vaccines likely to be administered in India. Covishield, the Serum Institute of India's version of vaccines developed by AstraZeneca, collaboration with the University of Oxford, is being most widely used in India's immunization drive. According to studies, the vaccine has efficacy of up to 90%. If the 2 doses are stretched over 2 to 3 months, efficacy refers to the degree of protection that a vaccine offers against a disease after successful vaccination. Research has indicated that Covishield is effective against British, Brazil and Indian strains of COVID-19 virus. Its efficacy against South African strain is a subject of study in India. Covaxin. Indian pharmaceutical firm Bharat Biotech has been keeping up with the limited but steady supply of Covaxin. The indigenous vaccine, initially criticized for getting emergency approval without phase 3 data, has now been commended by international researchers for its efficacy and variant coverage. According to studies, Covaxin is 81% effective against the virus and capable of neutralizing the UK, Indian and Brazilian variants. Its efficacy against the South African virus is also under study. Sputnik 5, developed by Russia's Gamaleya Institute, Sputnik 5 is the third coronavirus vaccine to be approved for use in India after Covishield and Covaxin. While the first batch of 1.5 lakh doses has arrived in India from Russia, after the initial imports, the vaccine will be manufactured in India at 5 labs under supervision of Dr. Reddy's laboratory. Novavax. US-based pharmaceutical firm Novavax COVID-19 vaccine will be manufactured by the Serum Institute of India and will be sold as Covovax. The vaccine candidate yet to be approved. The vaccine candidate yet to get approval in the US, UK or India has demonstrated the efficacy of 96.4% against mild to severe disease caused by original strain of SARS-CoV-2 against mutant variants of virus. It showed the efficacy of around 86.3% and only 55.4% among HIV negative participants in its trial in South Africa. Bharat Biotech nasal vaccines. The Health Ministry officials said that they hope to procure 10 crore doses of nasal vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech by December. The vaccine candidate is under phase 1 trial. The pharma company claims that the vaccine will have fewer side effects and it does not require needle for administration. People will not have to go to medical professionals for the vaccines and will be able to administer by themselves as nasal drops. BioE subunit vaccine. Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical company Biological E Limited COVID-19 subunit vaccines candidate is expected to be rolled out in India from August, subject to approval after phase 3 trials results. The vaccine candidate has completed phase 1 and 2 trials and has been approved for phase 3 trials on 1268 healthy subjects in the age range of 18 to 80 years. The pharma company has reportedly said its vaccine will be one of the most affordable options in India. Zydus Cadila DNA vaccines. Developed by Ahmedabad-based pharmaceutical firm Zydus Cadila ZYCOV-D COVID-19 vaccine is likely to hit the market in June. The company plans to begin manufacturing 1 crore doses a month and eventually double the production and may collaborate with other manufacturers to boost the capacity. The center has said that it will procure 5 crore doses of ZYCOV-D between August and December. Genova mRNA vaccine. India's first mRNA vaccine candidate developed by Pune-based Genova Biopharmaceutical is yet to be under human trials. Even as the company had received approval by human trials from the DCGI in December, the trials are yet to begin as a regulator asked the firm to redo an animal toxicity study that had been conducted in US. The company is expected to start phase 1 of the clinical trial soon. Genova Biopharmaceuticals has said that it will most likely start the second phase of trials within 2 months of completing the first. It hopes to apply for an emergency use approval after the successful phase 2. Pfizer. Apart from 8 vaccines listed by the center, the Indian public will also have access to vaccines of Pfizer, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson. The center on Thursday informed that the Indian government was trying to procure the 3 vaccines and was in touch with 3 firms through the Department of Biotechnology and Ministry of External Affairs. Additionally, the government has said that the state government and the private players can import any vaccines that have been approved by the World's Health Organization and US-based FDA.
That's it for this video. Stay tuned with us. Do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, stay healthy, stay indoors.